Have you ever wondered why some people earn twice as much as they did 5 years ago, yet still feel broke? The problem usually isn't your income. It's something called lifestyle inflation. Every time your income grows, your spending grows with it. Your lifestyle improves, but your wealth doesn't. And that's the trap almost everyone falls into. Lifestyle inflation rarely happens overnight. It begins with one small upgrade, then another, and another. Soon, yesterday's luxury becomes today's normal. Your expectations quietly rise, so every raise disappears before it ever reaches your investments. You earn more, but you don't keep more. That's why many high-income earners still live paycheck to paycheck. More income doesn't automatically create wealth. Keeping more of what you earn does. The wealthy understand this. When their income increases, their investments increase first. Their lifestyle grows slowly. Their assets grow faster than their expenses. That's how wealth quietly compounds, not through bigger salaries, but through bigger ownership. Imagine getting your next raise. Now imagine investing most of that increase instead of spending all of it. 5 years later, your lifestyle is still better, but now your wealth has grown too. That's the difference between looking rich and becoming rich. One is temporary. The other keeps paying you for years. Every raise gives you a choice. Upgrade your lifestyle or upgrade your future. The people who build lasting wealth don't spend every raise. They invest in the life they want tomorrow. Subscribe to BayanIQ for smarter money lessons. Turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.